One of the casualties from the decline of the Welsh slate industry was the rolling stock. What happened to it? There was a collection of steam and diesel engines that would all have been scrapped, but were saved due to the foresight of a few people. If it wasn't for an army of willing investors, and an even bigger army of willing volunteers, we would have lost all of these engines, forever. These immaculate engines, and all the infrastructure has now become an invaluable resource for the Welsh tourism industry, that attracts visitors from all over the world. This is Bala Lake, which has a narrow gauge railway running along one edge of it. Very popular with tourists and, soon to be extended into the town of Bala as well. As with all the narrow gauge railways in the area, it runs through some spectacular scenery that is enjoyed by all. This is the Llanberis Railway, or, to give it its proper name, the Badan Lake Railway. Again, running along the side of a lake, past the Slate Museum and right up to the Snowdon Mountain Railway. fantastic heritage that could easily have been lost.